Good morning, students. Now we have completed straight line the last class. I hope that you are doing the questions consistently, and you have to do a lot of practice in chapter straight line because it is a little bit difficult. Now next topic common to maths, commerce and maths science student is conic section, that is circle. Now circle you are studying class 10th, but it is the topic that we will study in class 11 is entirely different from class 10th, since circle we are considering it is a two-dimensional geometry. Now first of all, let me explain the definition of circle. Circle is the locus of a point which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point in the plane is a constant, and the fixed point is the center and fixed distance is the radius. Circle is the locus of a point which in a plane which moves in a such a way that its distance from a fixed point in the plane is a constant, and the fixed point is the center and fixed distance is the radius. Since I am drawing a plane like this, let I am fixing a point, say C. Let P be a moving point. Since we are considering, we have to write the coordinates. Since P is a moving point, in such a way that the distance is always constant, so that the distance does not go outside as well as inside. That means this is a fixed point, and the moving point should be moving such a way that the distance always will be same. That means it has to move in the circular form like this. And the fixed distance that is center and fixed point is the center and fixed distance is the radius. Now this is the definition of circle. Now there are two forms of equation of circle. First form is central form of equation of circle. Central form of equation of circle. That means how we can, which form of equation we can use to form the equation of circle whose center and radius are given. Now if the center is hk, and radius is taken as r, then equation of circle in central form is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where h and k are center, h and k is the center and radius is the radius equal to r. How we can prove this? Formula? Form. Suppose that you are given a circle with center say hk and radius is r, and in order to derive any form equation, I told you in the last classes, in the case of straight lines, we have to assume a general point on the figure in which whose equation is to be found out. Here we have to find equation of circle, so that we have to take a general point on the circle. Let Pxy be any point on the circle. Let O be the center of the circle, and you have to derive the equation of the circle in central form. Since O is the center and P is the radius, and P is the moving point, M is the point on the circumference of the circle, OP equal to R. Now we can find the distance OP using distance formula, but in order to avoid the square root, you can take square. OP square is equal to R square. That implies x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation of a circle having center at hk and radius equal to r. This form of equation of circle is called central form of equation circle. One form of equation of circle is also there, that is general form. The general form of equation of circle is very important, that is very useful in class 12th. Now this much is the central form of equation of circle. Now we will do different cases. First I am taking, suppose that you are given center as, just consider an example, 3, 2 and radius equal to 5. How we can form the equation of circle? By using the form, central form, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k is equal to r square implies x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 5 square. If you solve it, you will get by using applying a minus b whole square, we will convert in standard form. Now we will consider the special cases, some particular special cases. That means in which way we can form the equation of circle. If the circle passes, center lies on origin, circle only passes through origin, circle touches x-axis, circle touches y-axis, or circles passing through the point whose x and y intercepts are a and b respectively, a or b or maybe a only. First case is, I am taking the case when center of a circle coincide with origin. First case, that is case 1. These are the different cases. When center of a circle coincides with origin. Coincides with origin. Now suppose that this is the 2D plane and I am drawing a circle whose center is coinciding. Center coincide होना चाहिए और उसके origin के साथ. Origin coordinate of origin is 0 0. थोड़ा center form में draw करना है x o x dash, y o y dash. Now since center by central form of equation of circle, the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Since in this case the circle is passing through origin, the coordinate of center becomes xk equal to 0 0. And let us take the radius of this circle as for convenience a. Then by central form of equation of circle becomes x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to a square. That is, this is of the form that is equal to x square plus y square equal to a square. This is the equation of a circle passing through origin and radius is a. This is very important for class 12 because there are a lot of questions based on circle in the application of integration. So this form you should know. If x square plus y square equal to a square, that represents a circle with origin 0 0 and radius equal to a. Second case, what is second case? Second case is the circle will pass through the origin. When the circle passes through origin, the circle will pass through origin. The circle passes through origin. Passes through. What is the difference between center lies on circle and circle passes through origin? Center lies on circle means the center of the circle must coincide with origin. Circle passes through origin means circle can go through origin. It is not necessary that its center lies on the origin. Now I am drawing again the 2D plane. Let me check. Now the circle should be drawn like this. See, the circle is passing through origin. यहाँ सर्कल पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन हो रहा है, ये नहीं है कि वो इसका सेंटर उसमें ओरिजिन में लाई हो रहा है. That is the difference between first and second case. In first case, the sender is lying on the circle. Here, the circle passes through origin. Not necessary that it is its sender is at origin. Then this is origin is become 0 0. Now we are considering sender always used by hk. Now that means if you draw perpendicular like this one, this distance become k by x y coordinate, and if I am drawing a perpendicular, this become h. Then by Pythagoras theorem, so you have to write let PHK, थोड़ा सा सेंटर जैसे दिखना चाहिए, PHK थोड़ा साइड में दिखना ताकि this should be the center of the circle. सेंटर जैसे दिखना तो थोड़ा सा मैं सर्कल को बड़ा ड्रॉ कर लेती हूँ. Now center is HK. Then from P draw perpendicular PM on x-axis. So this distance is K and this is H. Now we are given only one condition, that the distance the circle is passing through origin having center HK, and in the central form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. R square is the radius. How we can find radius? Radius is equal to OP. Either you can use the Pythagoras theorem, x square plus k square equal to r square, or you can use the formula, distance formula. Then you will get OP square. That implies OP square is equal to radius square is equal to h square plus k square. Therefore, by central form of equation of circle, from the central form of equation of circle, the equation of the circle having center at hk and passing through origin is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to h square plus r square. Now you have to simplify it further. You will get, these are all topics related to 2D. That is x square minus 2hx plus h square plus y square minus 2ky plus k square is equal to h square plus k square. Both h square plus k square, x square plus k square are getting cancelled. You will get x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky is equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle passing through origin and center is hk. This is case 2. Now what is case 3? All cases should be known by you. Now case 3 is when circle touches x-axis. That is case 3. When circle touches x-axis. Touches x-axis. First case was center lies on origin. Second, circle passes through origin with center hk. Third one is circle touches x-axis. What will be the shape of the circle? This will be like that. This circle is touching the x-axis. This is approximate figure, not exact one. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This point, any point on x-axis can be taken as y-coordinate is, since y-coordinate 0, I am taking this point as a0. As you want, you can take, let the center be hk. hk center है, so a की जगह पर क्या आएगा? This is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. Then becomes, what you will get? And then this distance is radius. This distance is equal to k. So that becomes radius. A0 means radius. The radius of the circle. This see, no need of taking the point. Since the circle touches the x-axis, the figure is like that. Let radius be hk. Center be hk, and radius I am taking as k. Since this perpendicular distance is radius equal to k. By central form of the equation circle, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. If you put the center as it is, you will get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to k square. Why? Because radius is same as k. If you want for comfortability, you can write this as a0. That is radius हो जाएगा. जरूरी नहीं है, because you know that any point on x-axis y coordinate should be is 0. That if you solve it, you get x square. Again by arranging as per descending order as per degree plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus, let me check, plus h square. K square is getting cancelled. If you are taking the radius is for comfortability, let it be p. Let if OP is taking as a, then what you will get? This k becomes k. If OP equal to k, then k is equal to a. Then this equation becomes x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ay plus h square is equal to 0. This is the x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ay plus h square equal to 0. This is the case 3. Now what is the case 4? Case 3 was the circle touches x-axis. The opposite of this one is the circle touches y-axis. Circle touches y-axis. Now how we can draw it? Y-axis को touch करते हैं, तो फिगर कैसे आएगा? The figure is like this. Let me draw it. Draw circle. Circle को draw करने देना. Let it be like this. The circle is touching the y-axis at any point. Say you can take it as n. Again, by center, we as usual we can consider as h comma k. Any point on y-axis x coordinate is 0. Now this radius, if a, let a be the radius, let a be the radius of the circle. Let a be the radius of the circle. Let this point center can be taken as C or O. Then OM is equal to H equal to A. In the previous case, K equal to A. In this case, H equal to A. By central form of equation circle, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. We will get x minus h. What is x minus h? H we have taken as x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square. By solving and arranging in the power in descending order, we get x square plus y square minus 2ax, y minus x minus x square plus y square minus 2ax, again minus 2ky plus k square is equal to 0. Why? X square plus y square minus 2x, a square and a square are getting cancelled. Get x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2ky plus k square equal to 0. This is case 4. Now what is the case 5? Case 5, when circle touches, when the circle touches both axes. Case 5 is when circle touches both axes. Both axes. That means circle is passing through both the axes. दोनों एक्सेस से पास होता है तो कैसे इक्वेशन बनेगा? That means the figure will be like this. The circle is passing through both the axes. थोड़ा सर्कल जैसे बनाना है. This is not ellipse or parabola. This is not ellipse, so that circle is like this. Again by 2D plane xo x dash, yo y dash, and suppose this is touching both x-axis and y-axis. Center HK, this distance can be considered a, this can be considered a. Then HK becomes what? Then HK becomes a comma a. यह distance origin से a लिया, ये distance origin से इस point का distance b लिया, तो आपका ये सेंटर ए हो जाएगा. बाय सेंट्रल फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन सर्कल x माइनस एच होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस के होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू आर स्क्वायर बिकम्स x माइनस ए होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस ए होल स्क्वायर. रेडियस इज अगेन ए स्क्वायर. ये डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? ए स्क्वायर, बिकॉज ये डिस्टेंस रेडियस होता है. दैट इम्प्लाइज x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर माइनस 2ax minus 2ay plus a square 2a square minus a square is a square equal to 0. This is the case when the circle touches both axes. Equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2ay plus a square is equal to 0. Next case is case 6. Next case is case 6 when circle passes through origin and center lie on x-axis. When circle passes through origin. When circle passes through origin and center lies on x-axis. Center lies on x-axis. That is, the figure will be like that. Circle should passes through origin. Origin से pass भी होना चाहिए and it center lies on x-axis. That figure will be like this. I'm drawing the approximate figure. But you know that this is circle, distance should be same like this. xo x dash yo y dash. Now let the radius of circle be a, so that center becomes a comma 0. C can be, this point is to be named as C because origin also already named as O. Now how we can find equation of circle? Since it is center is on x-axis, y coordinate equal to 0. By central form of equation circle, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. H and k is to be replaced by a and 0. X minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is radius is a square. Now by changing this you will get x square plus y square minus 2ax equal to 0. There is no term containing y as well as no, that both the squares are getting cancelled. Now last form is case 7. When the circle passes through origin and center lies on y-axis. When the circle passes through origin, and center lies on y-axis, how we can form? Just opposite of the previous case, circle passes through origin and center lies on y-axis, like this. Let me draw the figure once more. Because lack of space, I have to draw downward direction. Circle passes through origin. Circle should pass through origin and center must lie on y-axis, like this. That is xo x dash, yo y dash. Now since center is on y-axis, center y-axis में है, center y-axis में होता है, then x coordinate is 0, so that becomes 0 comma a, since we are considering radius as a. By central form, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. You will get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus a whole square is equal to a square. Now that becomes x square plus y square minus 2ay is equal to 0. In the previous case there was no term containing y. Here in this case there was no term containing x, that is x square plus y square minus 2ay equal to 0. These are the 7 possible cases in which we can form equation of circle, either passing through origin or center lies on origin, or cutting both the axes, or and touching the x-axis, touching y-axis, etc. Now I will do one question. After that, let us consider the next question. Find the equation of circle whose center. Example 1, page number 24.5. Find the equation of circle passing through the center. Center is given as 2 comma minus 3 and radius equal to 8. Since center and radius is given, we can use center form of equation of circle. By that is center form में क्या क्या दे रखा है, hk is equal to 2 comma minus 3 and radius equal to 8. By central form of equation of circle, by central form of equation of circle form, comma, first of all you have to write the form equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. You will get x minus 2 whole square plus y minus minus is plus 3 whole square equal to 64. If you solve it, you will get x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 64. By rearranging terms as per descending order of degree, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y is 64 minus 13, that is minus 51 is equal to 0. In this way you can find equation of a circle in central form whose center and radius are given. And today we have studied a new topic, that is circle. What is the definition of circle? Once reminding you, this is very important. Circle is the locus of a point which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point in the plane is constant, and distance from a fixed point in the plane is constant. Fixed point is center and fixed distance is the radius. There are two forms of equation of circle, that is first one is central form, second one is general form, that we will study later. In central form, if center is given as hk and radius equal to r, by central form the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. And we have done 7 possible cases First circle center lies on origin, circle passes through origin, circle intersect both axes, center touching axis, circle touching y-axis, circle with center on x-axis, and circle with center on y-axis. I hope that you understood today's class. If you do all these questions consistently, see you again in the next class. Thank you.